Any shoes you buy from me, they always been hit. Look at that. Hey, you right there. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. I'm gonna put you on right here. This is the On Go Suede sneaker brush. Okay, let me show you what it does. You know how your suede just isn't hidden like it's supposed to? See, it's just dull right here. It's not doing nothing. Not changing colors or nothing. All you do is hit it with this. Just gonna go back and forth a couple times. However you feel fit. Right? And watch this. Oh my God. Change the no butter to butter. You see that? I mean, since y'all think I'm playing, I'm just gonna do it again. There is nothing here. Watch this. Couple strokes. Oh my God, look at that. You still think this is a lie? All right, let's go grab another one then. Okay, that one's okay. Let's see if we can get somewhere that hasn't been hit. Any shoes you buy from me, they always been hit. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if we can get another one. That one's done. That one's done. That one's done. Okay, we can hit it right here. Look. It's not the best, but we can hit it right here. You only needed a couple strokes.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
That thing back hidden. Y'all better get it while you can. It's the On Go Sneaker Suede brush. $6 on the TikTok shop. Come shop. Ah.